Hi guys, so the Google Pixel Buds 2 are finally out in Australia, and of course I decided to get one pair and try it out. But unlike most people who will be buying the Pixel Buds 2 to pair with their Android phones, I paired this up with my iPhone, and in this video I want to share with you what my experience was like. First, let's talk about the connectivity. You must have seen how easy it is to pair with an Android phone. All you have to do is open the case and follow the prompts on the screen, and within a touch and a second later you're connected. But in iOS I had to manually go in the Bluetooth section of my phone setting and then find the Pixel Buds to connect, which is not inconvenient by any means and does not make too much of a difference feature-wise, given that I would not be connecting this with my iPhone regularly. It's more like a one-off thing. Then things like in-ear detection does not work either, which means the music does not pause itself when I take off the earbuds. Also, features like adaptive sound does not work on iOS, but this does not bother me too much as well, because this is sort of Google's take on active noise cancellation, where instead of turning off the background noise, they just adjust the volume level depending on your environmental sound, which I can manually change myself anyways, and I would eventually get the same result. So I guess the importance of having this feature is really subjective. But what was kind of a deal breaker for me, and could be for most people, is that the Pixel Buds don't offer any app for the iPhone at the moment, and there is nothing on the pipeline as well, which means that you cannot do simple things like renaming the Pixel Buds or even do any firmware updates. However, the battery status on the Pixel Buds 2 can be still seen on the iPhone even without the app. But then again, it's not like how you see this on Android, where you can see the case's battery along with individual earbuds battery percentage as well. Let me tell you the main reason why I wanted to try the Google Pixel Buds 2 with my iPhone, and that is because the number of Google made apps that I use on the daily on my iPhone, because they work really well and in some cases work better than what Apple offers for a similar kind of application. So I was hoping to see some sort of integration where it could take advantage of those Google made apps, like for example the Google Assistant. Though I have the app installed on my iPhone, I can't use the pixels to summon this app, but even more frustrating was the fact that I could not even call Siri by just using the voice commands or neither using touch gestures. Then things like Google Translate on the Pixel Buds don't work if paired with iPhone as well. You will need an Android phone for that to work. Other than that, I quite liked what I saw design wise. It fits really well on my ears. The touch surface was really responsive as well, and the signal strength or range was very good. I left them along with my iPhone on one corner of my home, and then I did a whole lap around the house, and I only noticed some minor interference and no drop in music. So that's why I was surprised to see when I paired this with my Mac and my ThinkPad laptop, the sound quality that I got was just horrible. I have tried a lot of things to fix the issue, but nothing really changes. The connection is not stable either, the audio quality is so bad, and sometimes it just lags like 3 or 4 seconds behind. So my final conclusion is that the Google Pixel Buds 2 are definitely a good pair of headphones to get, only if you're using an Android phone with it. Other than that, the whole experience is just ordinary. I mean, for the same amount of money, there are other headphones out there that works very well and offers a lot more features on both Android and iOS. I guess only if Google made an app for iOS, then the Pixel Buds would have been a killer headphone for a lot of people. So anyways guys, that's it from me today. My rant is over. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace!